Greetings, this is Miles from Milestone Investing. On Monday the 3rd of June, I did a test trade to demonstrate hedging. And I did say to you that I trapped a £1,000 loss because I did them both at the same time. Okay, but I did say if you have the long hedge underneath the short one, then you trap to profit. If you have the long above the red, you will trap a loss. And you can see I'm down 9,000, I'm up 8,000, so I'm technically overall down 1,000. And it doesn't matter what this Bitcoin does, I'll always be 1,000 negative. It won't change. And if I trap to profit, which you can't do if you do both at the same time. So let's say, for example, I did that short trade, and then when it bounced to the bottom here, I went long. I would have trapped to profit. Okay, and then the long trade would have been losing money as it fell down here, and then obviously it would come back to basically be neutral again. All right, but so the question then you have to ask yourself is, what do you do now? Well, let me show you what I'm reading. I can see it dropped here out of the Bollinger. It dropped here out of the RSI, right? 15 minutes candlesticks. So they're reliable from my perspective. And it crossed here and it went sideways. It didn't go up, it went sideways. Now, when something falls and goes sideways, this is known as a dead dog. A dead cat, it falls and bounces up. So I'm looking for dead cats. I'm not looking for a dead dog. A dead dog, you can't trade it upwards because it's not going anywhere. So again, here, this one falls massively. It goes out of the Bollinger. It goes below RSI, all good signs that it's gone too far. And then it comes up a little bit, it comes back down a little bit, goes up a little bit, comes back down a little bit. This is going nowhere on the upside. It's not going anywhere. It comes down some more. It does the same thing again. It's outside the Bollinger right here, and it's below RSI 30. So again, it's saying it's too cheap. Now this one bounces up. So this one goes up, but then it goes sideways. There's no upside strength here. And then it goes back down again. And it goes below the Bollinger. It goes just below the RSI. It crosses up here and goes nowhere. Just goes sideways. So what we're looking at is Bitcoin is behaving like a dead dog. Now, dead dogs are not good for going long because there's just no upside, not a movement. So let me tell you the quick thing I would say normally. When the market's going down, go short. When the market's going up, go long. When the market's going sideways, don't trade it. We are in a sideways market. And while it's going sideways, there's nothing for me to do. So I've just got to wait and see what happens. But because I've got this hedge in place, I'm going to wait and see. But here's my plan. When this eventually starts to go up, okay, because I want it to come back here or somewhere near here. So when it starts to go back up again, then I'm going to take the profit on the short and I'm going to ride it up. So what I might do is do another long. So I'm going to go long, for example, I won't do it, but I'll show you. So if I went here, let's do deal. So if I go here, I would do a long right here, for example. If it was starting to go, I'd go long here. So what would that mean? It means that when I take the profit on the short, I won't need this to go all the way to the top to make money because all I have to do is go up by £1,000. Once I go up by £1,000, I'm basically break even because I'm negative at the moment, 1,000. So once I take the profit, and then this goes down by 1,000, I'm break even. When this starts to go down by more, I'm now into profit, right? However, this second long, as it's going up, will give me my other profit. So this, I could even close out, say at 8,200. Take a small loss here, take this profit from here to the 8,200, say 8,270. I can take that profit, take a small loss here, take all of this red profit, and I've got two profits, one loss, and the whole thing overall is a big profit. Let me finish that first point. So if it's going to go up, and I'm expecting it to go up, then I'm going to go long at the bottom here. I'm going to take the profit here. So now I end up with two longs. Now, if it goes reverse on me and goes down, that will be disaster because I'll be losing on 2 trades instead of just 1. So what I have to ensure is that it really is going to go up before I can put in that long trade. I have to know it's going up. All right. And so far, when I see the signals for it to go long, it doesn't want to do any upside move. So this is not ready yet to go up. So I have to just wait. However, if it's never going up and it'll just keep on falling forever, then what I need to do is to close that long, take the £9,000 hit, and as the short keeps on falling, when it falls by another £1,000, I will get £1,000 profit here to compensate for the £1,000 loss. Because in other words, when it falls, if I take the 9,000 hit and this falls, this is now 8,000, and it goes down to 9,000, then I'm break even. It goes down to 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000. I'm in profit clearly, right? So that's one idea. But I also want that to be demonstrated. It's going to do that. So had I done it, say here, when I saw this falling and I closed out the long, but by the way, I'm looking at this for the first time, so I wasn't watching this. But if I did it here, I could have closed out that long, taken say a £2,000 loss, and then as it was falling, I then close out here near the bottom here and take out the 8,000 profit. So I'd have taken a 2,000 loss, 8,000 profit, and I'm up overall by 6,000. So this is how you unravel your hedge so that you end up overall in profit. I hope that was helpful. Any questions, then you can actually just post the question for me in the WhatsApp group, and then I can take your questions if you've got any other questions relating to how you do your hedge and how you unravel it so that you become profitable. This is Miles from Milestone Investing. Happy trading.